Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about paintbrushes. Now immediately, some of you, your mind is going to jump to the little, painting the Mona Lisa or painting one of the landscape scene type brushes. Others of you are going to jump to the 4-inch wide brush for painting a house and the 2-inch wide trim brushes and stuff like that. What am I talking about? I'm talking about both. All right, any type of paintbrush that you think you're going to need, you really should have a couple laying around and put away in some place where you know where they're at and easy to get to, where they stay clean and not getting all mushed up and everything. All right. But you got a paint job to do in the house to do a repair, and you've had to take out a piece of drywall to fix the plumbing behind there, and you've got all the plumbing in, and you did all the sanding, like I talked about yesterday, for the drywall sanding and everything else, and you're going to paint it. You need to have a decent brush for that. If you're doing making a picnic table, whatever, you're going to be putting some varathane on that picnic table. You're going to need the proper brush for that as well. And if you are doing the artsy painting stuff, either the portraits or painting like rocks or ceramic cups or anything else like that, you're going to need the proper paintbrush for that as well. Also, paintbrushes, the small paintbrushes come in handy for indoor pollination of plants. All right? So, before I take off, I want to remind you about something here, so don't jump away yet. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, tools, skills. All right. Now, I'm also going to leave a link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, where I have 2 great playlists you want to check out over there, the how-to playlist and the emergency preparedness playlist. I'll put the link to that channel right there. And I can put the links to the playlist Prepping for Beginners and Prepping in Private right over there. Why? This is why.